Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 19th of July, 2021. Taking a look at Cardano here as we're coming out of the weekend. You can see that it is trading lower, down 4.75%. In fact, the broader market is also lower with Bitcoin down 3%. If we look at the total market cap, it's currently 6:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If we take a look at the total market cap, it is down 3.44%, with the altcoin market down 3.75%, below that 700 billion market cap, and we're below right now the 1.25 trillion market cap total for all of cryptocurrencies. And really, folks, it looks like it's going to dip down lower. Cardano has cracked an important level here on the daily chart. We've dropped down below the 382 Fibonacci retracement level, and we've dropped below that high volume node that's been established ever since we kind of drove up there. Let me look at the beginning of the year to where we are now. Point of control remains down below 35.5 cents, 36 cents. But the high volume node up here that we've broken down below, and we're below that fib retracement, indicates that we will more than likely be moving lower. Looking at the volume profile, there's a pretty good gap below the dollar level, $1, 103 level, all the way down to 90 cents. And that's right within that range that we've talked about previously, between 84 and 94 cents. That's a pretty strong support level just from past traded price action. It's been heavily defended. But if 90 cents fails, then the next level below, and the more likely one to create the maybe 2021 corrective low, is going to be that 70 cent range. There is a good chunk of high volume node there, along with the 618 Fibonacci retracement and the 141.4% Fibonacci extension. And when we look at the daily chart, the RSI levels, we're down below 40, so we're past the oversold conditions that exist when something's in a bull market. And if we adjust these to the new oversold conditions in a bear market, we get 30 and 20. We're coming down to that 30 level, which is really kind of the second test of it since we last tested it back on the 22nd. So expect it to move down to 20 to test next, because we haven't tested the level 20 zone since March of 2020. And will it hold as support? I mean, we'll have to see. Let's take a look at that weekly chart. The weekly chart is showing a lot of the openness to traveling lower. Excluding the volume profile, we know that there's the same levels there. Ichimoku-wise, I mean, we don't see support levels come in here below the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen until the 25 cent range. That's a pretty steep drop. We also won't see really a return to kind of stable values. If you want to say, ask, how long is it until the cloud becomes an area of support in that 80 cent range? That's not until the week of August 16th, 2021. So that's another 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks from now, which makes a lot of sense, and I'll get into that with later videos. Possibly on Friday, I'll get into that. But for right now, it looks like we're just going to move lower to maybe flattening out. We'll see. Just keep an eye, a close eye on this market, because it is pretty bearish and remains bearish, and the movement continues to be south. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.